Hello, Uptown Swing. Matt here. This is the last class of the connection month. We worked on sugar pushes because we didn't really do any push energy yet. So here's the push stuff. Sugar pushes. We worked on really slow just to work on a very particular feeling. You can do them a bunch of different ways. This way that I was teaching you guys was just about trying to get this sort of absorbing, catchy feeling first. So we worked on the leaders not going round, step, ball, and hitting the followers right away on 3, but rather going 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is more the one with the turnaround. So I kind of tap when I do it. I like that, and I actually kind of keep my hands down low. I let them come out a little bit, maybe. I don't want them to go back too much. When I go faster, sometimes that just happens because you don't have time. But on this slow one, we like to do that a little bit. Maddie's coming in on a triple step, and in the middle of the triple step, is where she gets furthest. Boom, boom, triple. That leg is really the furthest one. 3 and 4, we go out together. And we get a little diagonal on this, and we just want the followers to really keep coming in and keep going out. And leaders, catch the followers on the in and catch the followers on the out. Don't push hard with your hands, but rather move your body. So, boom, catch, catch, catch.